Welcome to the Scholar OS crash course. In this session, I will guide you through the Admission Pro transaction feature, an advanced accounting method that has been fine-tuned to accommodate complex scenarios. This feature ensures a seamless and efficient payment process between your school and families. Now, let's get started. For a new enrollment or re-enrollment for the upcoming school year, the billing process must be set up first. Let's use a grade 5 student as an example. Navigate to the New Billing tab and use a preset to complete the billing form with the appropriate fee amount for the corresponding school year. For instructions on creating payment presets, please refer to the Financial Payment Preset Guide in our channel. Once the amount is confirmed, click Submit to save the billing. As shown, the billed amount is $47,650. Next, let's proceed with creating a company discount as an example. Click the New Transaction tab below and select the appropriate currency if multiple currencies are available in the system. Choose the company discount for this transaction record. You can either enter the discount amount directly or click the calculator icon to specify the discount percentage. Save this company discount transaction and let's review how to handle multiple discount transactions. Navigate to the New Transaction tab, select the account, and you will find several available options: adjustments, alumni discount, company discount as shown in this example. To add more accounts for discount transactions or open an additional savings account, please visit the Financial Account Management section. It is highly recommended to make financial accounts that align with your school finance system. This alignment is beneficial when system integrations are required. When your school receives a confirmed payment, follow similar steps. Select the appropriate currency and ensure you choose the account linked to the bank account set up for receiving payments. Then, allocate the payment amount to each corresponding receipt item. This process ensures the school maintains an accurate and clear financial report in the future. When all discounts and payments are fully recorded, the total amount of all transactions should match the student's total billing amount. Scholar OS is a leading and highly cost-effective system software. Please visit scholaros.com/admission for more details. Thanks for watching.